guys, we're gonna go on the road. Our house is empty. Gotta dump the trash first. We're waiting for the house lady to finish the move out inspection. Then we're gonna go get the U-Haul. I never drive, and the U-Haul place is 20 minutes away, so wish me luck. And it's 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten. But I'll show you guys a picture of my food. I bet it's after the U-Haul. See you in an hour. Goodbye, my beautiful fall tree out front.
You can even see which way it blew up.
You guys, it is 6 p.m. on day 1, and I'm here at the rest area. Well, we're about halfway there to Oregon where we want to be. That bathroom was about like a 3 out of 5. Let's just say no creepy things, no nasty things. But wait, there was a creepy thing. It's 8:47 on day 2. Guys, I'm exhausted and my eyeballs hurt. We're gonna go camping today at Redwood, so this is the view from the hotel window, and it looks like such a beautiful fall day. This view. It's gorgeous. Looks like we're in the Goonies. Okay, I'll get it. Here we are. Big tree. Okay, kind of scary. That's the tree. I better hurry up because imagine there's like some kind of animal or haunted animal. Here I am at the big tree. I thought I heard jungles behind me. I'm out of here. Watch out for bears.